Hey everyone, welcome back to the Inehub YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest updates and opportunities in the world of cryptocurrency. Today we've got some exciting news for our viewers in the European Economic Area EEA. Binance is launching an exclusive campaign that you won't want to miss. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. Here's the deal. Binance is offering an EEA exclusive promotion where you can buy USDC with RON and trade the USDC RON pair to share a whopping 26,000 US dollars C in rewards. That's right, 26,000 US dollars C up for grabs. Let me break it down for you. Buy USDC with RON. Use your RON to purchase USDC on Binance. Trade USDC RON. Engage in trading the USDC RON pair. Earn rewards. The more you trade, the bigger your share of the 26,000 US dollars C prize pool. But hurry! This campaign is time sensitive. Make sure to participate during the promotion period to secure your chance at these rewards. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this is a fantastic opportunity to grow your crypto portfolio. Binance makes it easy to get started. Simply log into your account, navigate to the USDC RON trading pair, and start trading. Don't forget, this promotion is exclusive to users in the EEA. So if you're eligible, this is your moment to shine. With 26,000 US dollars C up for grabs, this is one campaign you don't want to miss. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Binance, start trading, and claim your share of the rewards today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.